to find.
Have you ever felt like the universe is trying to tell you something, but you just don't know how to listen? Now, imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and it says, "Today, you may feel a little off. Don't make any big decisions until the evening." No friend told you this, not even your therapist. It's your astrology app, powered by artificial intelligence. Yes, AI is no longer just helping us write emails or drive cars, it's reading the stars. So, what is AI really? Artificial intelligence is simply when machines are built to think, learn, and make decisions like humans, only faster. And in astrology, has taken ancient wisdom and turned it into something instantly accessible by using your date, time, and place of birth. AI creates your birth chart and then compares your planetary positions with millions of other charts and patterns from history. The result? A surprisingly personal reading delivered right into your screen. Now, let's talk about few apps. We begin with AstroSage. It is born in India in 2004, long before apps were even cool. Created by Puneet Pandey, a tech savvy astrologer from India, AstroSage has grown to serve over 100 million users globally. It blends traditional Vedic astrology with AI to offer personalized horoscopes, kundali matching, live consultations, and much more in multiple languages, whether you speak English, Hindi, or Tamil. It makes the signs of the stars feel familiar and trusted. It's not just popular in India, it's used by people around the world who want deep rooted insights into their lives. Next comes CoStar, a sleek app from New York launched in 2017 by Banu Guler. It uses NASA data to track real time planetary positions and combines it with psychological models and AI. Co-Star is known for its bold, sometimes harsh messages like avoid emotional decisions today, your ego is louder than your logic. That raw honesty has earned it a cult following, especially among Gen Z and millennials. With over 20 million users, CoStar has rebranded astrology for the digital age: aesthetic, edgy, and unapologetically real. Then we have the pattern launched in 2018 by Lisa Donova, also from the US. This app takes a very different route. It doesn't focus much on zodiac signs or horoscopes. Instead, it decodes your emotional patterns. It asks, why do you attract similar patterns? Why do you hit the same emotional blocks? The AI dives deep into your natal chart and gives timeline for growth, challenge, and self-reflection. It's like a therapy. If your therapist use the stars. Now you may be wondering, how do these apps actually works? Well, it's a mixture of astrology, data science, and machine learning. You input your birth details, the system maps your celestial blueprint, then using data for millions of users, historical records, and psychological insights. It predicts what kind of energy you might be experiencing emotionally, mentally, and socially. Why are millions of people using these apps? Because they make astrology simple, fast, and personal. No waiting for appointments, no heavy bookings or calculations. Just open the app, get insight about your relationships, your moods, and your timings. Some people use them to plan their week, others use them for their deep inner work. But let's be honest, we are not perfect. Sometimes the messages can feel too vague or too intense. AI lacks empathy. It can't truly know your story or your struggles. Also, these apps collect your very personal birth data. So, privacy is a concern. And let's not forget, if you rely too much on what an app says, you might stop trusting your own instincts. So, should you be using these apps? Yes, but wisely. Use them as tools, not as truth. Let them guide you, not define you. Whether you prefer AstroSage's ancient wisdom, co-stars, modern sass, or the pattern's emotional depth, each has something to offer. What's exciting is this: for the first time in history, ancient astrology and modern AI are working together. The stars haven't changed, but now we can understand them in different ways with a few taps on your phone. So explore the cosmos, let the apps whisper what the universe might be saying, but always remember you are the one steering your own destiny.